Now the parser for NZZ, the Swiss newspaper, like Reuters. So go make a new directory, and now directly go for a page, mtp page create NZZ. Now we have this, and style subsection, then we are in line. Good. Now, as always, we have here in parse NZZ, we have, as we can parse a single news, simply take the URL and say parse NZZ, and here it goes. You have this article, look for the hierarchy. Maybe I find a clever solution that this can be done automatically somewhere, but that's this. Easy to use. The second version is a whole book, and this works like this. Go here for a new document, and this is NZZ book, book create. So you see the multiple of them with Reuters, NZZ, Boom, and audio. We will create. So and then NZZ 18114. That's today, and this will parse all the NZZ. All the news linked to the main page here, and make a small book of it. So go here, put it to news. Book create. That was bad. Made a mistake. So here, this is empty, do that new one. So mtp book create NZZ, and for 11:14, that's today, and now it parses all the news. With pictures, references, and so on. This will take a while. These are about 60. Now here we are. It's still running, saving, preparing. And this is our document. whatever, antibiotica, archaeology. Good, and ready to read. So to see the extent of all this, you go for example here for print. What is it doing? Ah. That's a 120 pages document. A whole newspaper. Good. Again, if you want to copy a whole thing to your working environment, do it here. If you want to just a link, just take this. And both need to get I didn't find a nice solution for this behavior yet. So now it's fine, and this is the work of the recipe in here. Good. You see the links. This is work. So we are here. We imported it here. And this is from NZZ. It might be the same. Now we go here. Good. As we did this was a link. Yeah, I made a mistake on the way. And so this is another document. Good. But nevertheless, we have it here. We have to fix the things. So it's another document. This document I deleted in preparation. So, thanks for watching.